Okay, in geometry, we're looking at 3-1D translations, pages 173 to 174, exercises number 1 to 21. For each set of figures below, identify the figure on the right that can be obtained from the figure on the left by one translation. So remember, we're not rotating, we're not reflecting, we're simply moving. So it's going to keep the same size, the same shape, the same orientation. So if I have my first figure, which is the one furthest on the left, and I'm looking at the other four figures, A, B, C, or D, it is going to be C. That would be the correct translated figure. On number 2, looking at the first figure, which looks like an upside down umbrella with the point going bottom left to top right, looking at that, I would say it would be item number B would be the correct item. That would be translated again with no rotation or reflection. Okay. On problem number 3, looking at those two arrows, and you want the same configuration. So the bottom arrow is pointing to the left with the line that looks like a ray, and the line going bottom left to top right. And looking at that, I'd say it is D that has the same configuration. So D would be my correct response for number 3. Turning the page and going to number 4, it said state whether each pair of figures below illustrates a reflection or a translation. So number 4, looking at the two triangles, it looks like neither one of those, it looks like it hasn't rotated, it hasn't reflected, it just looks like it's been pushed or moved. So number 4, first set of triangles is a translation. While the second set of triangles looks like a reflection. Okay, going to number 5. Oh, that was 5. This is 4, this is 5. Okay, going to 6, number 6, you're supposed to take and actually try and copy the shape as closely as possible. And then here is your translation vector, P to P prime. So imagine, if you would, you're simply taking now and taking that vector and extending it from the point here. So you would again draw this object, in theory that should look exactly the same. There's no rotation, there's no there's no reflection. All there is just pushing or the object down and to the right. Okay. All right. Number 7, it says for the translation with vector UV. Okay, here are the two boxes. So here we have DC, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. Here we have E, F, G, H. E, F, G, H. And then here we have the translation vector U, B. So we're going UV, so that means we're shoving to the right and up the box A, B, C, D into the position E, F, G, H. So if I asked you for the image, if the pre-image was B, so for number 7, let's see here, for number 7, they're saying that the pre-image is B. So after doing the translation, the image would be point F. Okay, for number 8, here they're seeing segment DC. DC is the pre-image, and so HG is going to be the image. Okay, for number 9, here you're looking at point C being the pre-image, therefore point G is going to be the image. So that's after the translation takes effect. Okay, and number 10, here they're telling you, gee, the square ABCD, so the square ABCD, once the translation has taken effect, so that's the pre-image. ABCD is the pre-image. The post-image is going to be the square EFGH.